What's going on, guys? Long time no see. The last time I made a video was in May 2020, so it's been a little over 2 years. Ended up, just trying to focus really on school, and then obviously there's work, and then I just kind of lost motivation in documenting my fishing videos, and then fast forward to 2022 of August, I recently made a purchase buying a Hobie Outback 2021. So yeah, I figured I should start documenting more of my videos. Plus, fishing has been getting a little stagnant and boring. So first outing recorded for 2022. I'm hitting a new lake called Scotts Flat Reservoir. I'm sorry, this intro is gonna be after I already came back from fishing. Completely forgot to make the intro when I was on the water. But yeah, I'm going for smallies, and this lake is an hour away. New body of water. I've never fished here before, so it's gonna be me just trying to figure out what or how to catch them. All right, completely forgot how to use my GoPro, but first cast, I threw the glide bait around the launch earlier. Not earlier, like 30 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago. Didn't get any followers. I don't know if that's just because the launch is so busy that there's no fish holding there. But yeah. You know, I had a thought of using a Carolina rig just cause I figured this lake was gonna be, I did a little research on this lake, and this lake, like all the videos and pictures I've seen on the internet of this lake, a lot of it was just like clear water, so I just figured it was gonna be clear. And in mind, I had planned to maybe try using a Carolina rig, catch them out deep. But I actually ended up going fishing the day before, so yesterday, and didn't make time to go to the fishing store to grab some supplies. I don't have the right equipment for Carolina rig, so here I am using a swim bait. For some reason, I had a gut feeling that I should have brought a spinning setup just in case the bite was tough, so I can throw a drop shot. But I figured no, water's warm, they should be pretty active, and hopefully I was not wrong, because I will not be able to throw a drop shot with these casting setups. I've been looking at the 16 by 16 yak box. It has about, I think it's 5 rod holders, which is perfect, because usually I just carry around 5 rods, the max, when I do go out. Dude, how is there not a fish right here? Come on, man. I might change glide baits, because I know that they do stock trout in here. This is more of like a gizzard shad profile. Might not be natural to their lake, but there's fish, they'll be interested. Definitely do want to try more of a natural look though. Man, I swear, if I'm gonna have to tie on a drop shot on one of these rods, dude. How is there not any largemouth though? Oh my gosh, there's a smallie right there. There was a smallie right there. He came out. I don't know where he came out. Well, at least I know there's fish. I'm gonna back out of this spot. I'm gonna back out of this spot. It's probably only like 13 inches, but shoot. A smallie's a smallie, dude. Along with making a move. Man, I'm thinking this side seems a little bit more shallower. Hopefully the other side, I'm just gonna go straight to the other side. Hopefully that other side is a little bit better. More trees. Maybe this place isn't a numbers place. But no, I don't see too many bass here. Oh, let's fish this side first. Yeah, there's not even a fish under this thing, dude. There's no. Yeah, my comeback video. For my comeback video, I'm about to Scott. Oh my gosh, here we go. Oh my goodness. Let's go. This is a good one. This is a good one. That was so shallow. Let's go. Thank you. Dude, he just swam off with it. Damn. Nice 3.5. There's like this channel in there. And he just started swimming off with it. Make sure lets me handle her. Oh, I mean, 19, 20. This is a very skinny fish or small fish for a 20-incher. Nice. Release. Beautiful. She's like right on the surface. What the? That was cool. Personally, I feel as though visibility is everything. Like I know people that would throw braid here, straight braid, no leader. Like for me, there's a fish right there. Oh no, he's not gonna bite. Another bass. All right, well, I'll just show you. He's right there. I don't know if the camera can see him. He's like right there chilling. Yeah. I casted here earlier. How did he not? I mean, I haven't actually caught fish on this dark sleeper, but it has a great name, I guess, for spotted or smallmouth bass. So I bought a few of these. Oh, look. See, there's bait right there. You see that? Juvenile. Oh, no, they are. Oh, yeah, there's little fish here. Oh, why? Oh my gosh, I just got another follower. These fish are so lazy, dude. There's another largemouth. Oh my goodness. This is why I hate clear water. Like 5 feet viz, the most for me. I have absolutely no confidence
Like, I don't think there's any fish in the weeds because it's not even weeds. I think it's just the bottom that's covered in weeds. But like, still, like, I throw in a Ned rig, ripping it out of the grass, just football head jig, ripping it out of the grass, nothing. There's just so many baby bass in there. Oh, I missed it.
It's a nice one, too.
Yeah.
You can land it. I believe in you. It's a beauty. Where you're rooting.
Yeah.
Oh, heck yeah. You keep them or throw them back?
Just for the sport, I throw them back.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Nice. Skinny one. Post spawner. I pitched it into this tree and he just swiped at it. Probably 16, 17 inches. Man, it's been so slow. The only thing I could come up with is just flipping trees. Oh, that felt so good to catch. Man, I'm getting sunburned. Like, I want to go home, but I want to catch fish, and I'm already here, and I drove an hour. I still have energy. It's just, I'm just getting burnt, bro. I'm so mad. So I just lost one. There was a fallen down tree, probably like this, but it was coming towards the water. And I'm throwing around this 8-inch glide bait. He comes out. It's probably like 15 feet. He comes out. I see this black shadow behind my glide bait. I pause it. He swipes at it, gets the back treble. I'm fighting him for a bit. And then he jumps and then he comes off. I had a feeling he was gonna come off. He came off right here. It was just on this treble. I'm so mad. Oh, there's one behind it. Or there's one behind it. He's a small one though. Oh, there's two of them. So this is just like this. If you can just imagine that 4 or 5 pounder that I just lost all the way at the bottom, and this glide bait only goes what? It's slow sinking, but you know, it's only gonna be, I'm only fishing it, what, 2 feet? Not even 2 feet, like 1.5 feet. The drawing power though that this has, not even just this, but any glide bait, or most glide baits. I'm so hurt, man. These rocks aren't holding any fish, like, and it looks really good. Yeah, I don't know why there's no fish relating to these rocks. But I mean, that's been all day, finding only largemouth that are actually interested in any of my baits, not just the glide bait. And off trees, like even that that smallie, at the beginning of the day, or in the beginning of the day, he was on that tree as well. Man. I wish I was recording that. It's always when you don't record. It's always when you don't record when the dopest things happen, right? Alright, I'm gonna turn back. Storm Arashi Glide. I can't believe I didn't get this one on camera. I am a believer of the glide. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Dude, I flipped it right in there and he just hammered it. I didn't even get to glide it. All good though. Man, not a big one, big old head. Look at that small body, he's so skinny. Yeah, one of the trebles got him right there. Sorry, buddy. Nice though, very skinny. I'm just gonna record, I'm not even gonna stop recording. God, I'll just edit it out for you guys. Man, I was going past those guys. They were admiring my kayak and then they go, one of them goes, "Hey, it's no wake zone." That's funny. I thought it was funny. Bad joke. That's what they said too. You guys have a good one. Thank you. I love people sometimes. Yo, that one over there, tree in the water, that one's gonna be good. But for now. Oh my god. Oh my. I hope you guys saw that, dude. He freaking top watered it. Let's go. Okay, I'm just gonna flip this guy. Okay. You see what I mean? Like, watch. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my gosh, he top watered it. He top watered it. That isn't, I don't even know what that means. He blew up on it though. He was not coming off. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, so skinny. Every single one of them looked just like this. Let's get the release on her. I don't even know if the camera can see that. There it is. Let's go, beautiful girl. Beautiful, man, let's go. Smashed it, she came up and hammered it, dude. Right? But, ow, that burned my finger. Yeah, let's go, baby. Hooked up. Let's go. I don't even know if the camera was aiming right there. Another largie. There wasn't a fish here earlier. Nope, he's gonna. All right, I'm not flipping. He's barely hooked. Let's go. Oh, he's pissing. Nice little pounder and a half. The pattern today, couldn't catch them on anything but the glide. I mean the football head jig, but man, let's get the release on this little beauty. Goodbye. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. But yeah, dude, I fished here earlier. Man. Fished here earlier. Now there's a fish on it. We might just have to go back all the way around. Circle the whole lake again. Oh no. No, there was one right there. All right, let's go home.
Yeah, super tough day. Didn't get any smallies. Managed to catch 5 largies, and then I lost a big one, but I didn't even get that on camera. I was out on the water for 8.5 hours and then didn't get home till 5-ish. Anyways, yeah, super burnt out. I don't know if you could tell, but yeah, just super exposed to the sun and just being out there so long is just super draining. Really happy that I kind of figured something out. Yeah, hope you guys liked the video. Stay tuned. Peace out.